If you enjoy reading self-improvement books, then this is a perfect choice for you. There are several lessons from this book, Ikigai, the Japanese secret to living a long and a happy life. But today I'll be sharing just 3 of them that I think everyone should know. My name is Moya Salah. I am an instructional designer, e-learning developer, and product designer. I have spent several years assisting different organizations in improving their learning experience by creating highly interactive and engaging e-learning courses, thereby improving retention and completion rates. I have also developed and improved several successful digital products by focusing on user experience simplification. Ikigai is a combination of 2 words, Iki, which means to live, and Gai, which means reason. The author focused the book on the people of Okinawa, a small town in Japan, known for having the highest number of people living above the age of 100. Their lifestyle and how they have been able to live and stay healthy at a very old age, and also having a sense of purpose and the reason to continue living. One of the pillars of Ikigai is living a healthy, balanced life. It emphasizes the importance of physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. First, they try to stay active, but not in the way you expect. They don't go to the gym, but they have been able to incorporate their natural movement into their daily routine. For example, gardening, walking, farming, etc. All this keep them strong and agile, even at a very old age. Another essential aspect is a healthy diet. The people of Okinawa practice the Ara-Achibo principle. They stop eating at 80% full. Have you ever wondered why people say they are tired after eating? It is because they tend to stop themselves and eat till they are full. They focus on plant-based diets, lean proteins, and avoid processed meals. They believe that the more colorful your plate is, the healthier it is. And lastly, they believe that meditation and mindfulness is essential. If you take time to be in the presence, then you appreciate the little things of life and eventually find enormous peace. The second pillar of Ikigai is all about self-discovery. What do you love to do and what do you know how to do? If you are able to align your talent and your passion together, you would eventually find a sense of purpose and also fulfillment. The Japanese believes that discovering your Ikigai starts with self-reflection. What brings you joy and what are your natural skills? What you love to do are activities that you enjoy doing. These are activities that you attain a state of flow where there is less distraction. These are also activities that bring you value and also lead to self-improvement. But it is not just about following what you love. It is also about what you are very good at, what you have mastered, and something you are very skilled at. Whether you are an artist, designer, programmer, coder, or whatever, just think about how what you are very good at and what you love intersect. A good number of successful athletes today started by discovering what they love. With constant practice, they became very good at it. The final pillar of Ikigai is about connecting your talents and passion to meet a real-world need. This combination not only leads to finding fulfillment and purpose, but also financial security. When your skill is applied to meet a need in the world, you find a sense of fulfillment, then often financial reward follows. It's really not all about making money. It's about finding your value and what would impact the world positively. So guys, those are my takeaways from the book Ikigai. If you enjoyed this video, then you also enjoy my previous video about the 4 laws of habit from the book Atomic Habits by James Clear. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share.